Menopause is a natural part of life, but for many women, it can be a confusing and overwhelming time. Hot flashes, mood swings, and night sweats are just a few of the common symptoms that can disrupt daily life. But what if I told you that there may be more to these symptoms than meets the eye? That there could be underlying factors at play that are contributing to these symptoms, and that by understanding these factors, you may be able to find relief and take back control of your body. One of the biggest misconceptions about menopause symptoms is that they're simply a natural part of aging. But the truth is, many of these symptoms can be attributed to other underlying health issues that have nothing to do with menopause itself. For example, did you know that thyroid issues can cause hot flashes and mood swings that are identical to those experienced during menopause? Or that hormonal imbalances can lead to vaginal dryness and low libido? By assuming that these symptoms are just a result of menopause, we may be overlooking other health issues that need to be addressed. Another misconception is that menopause symptoms are all in our heads, that we're just being dramatic or emotional. But the reality is, these symptoms are very real and can have a significant impact on our daily lives. By dismissing them as simply being emotional or hormonal, we're ignoring the underlying physiological changes that are happening in our bodies. It's time to start taking these symptoms seriously and looking for real solutions. We also tend to think that menopause symptoms are inevitable, that there's nothing we can do to prevent or alleviate them. But that's simply not true. By making lifestyle changes, such as eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, and managing stress, we may be able to reduce the severity of these symptoms or even prevent them altogether. It's time to start taking an active role in our health and wellness, rather than just accepting menopause symptoms as a fact of life. Let's dive a little deeper into some of the specific symptoms of menopause and explore what might be hiding behind them. Hot flashes, for example, are often attributed to hormonal changes, but did you know that certain foods and drinks can trigger them? Or that stress and anxiety can exacerbate symptoms like mood swings and irritability? By understanding the root causes of these symptoms, we may be able to find relief and take back control of our bodies. One expert in the field of menopause, Dr. Jen Gunter, says that menopause is not a hormone deficiency disease, it's a hormone transition. This means that the symptoms we experience during menopause are not just a result of declining hormone levels, but rather a complex interplay of hormonal changes that can be influenced by a variety of factors, including lifestyle, nutrition, and overall health. This shift in perspective can be incredibly empowering, as it means that we have the power to influence our symptoms and take back control of our bodies. Another expert, Dr. Aviva Ram, notes that menopause is not just about hormones, it's about whole body health. This means that we need to start looking at menopause as a whole body experience, rather than just a hormonal one. By addressing underlying health issues such as thyroid problems, adrenal fatigue, and nutrient deficiencies, we may be able to find relief from menopause symptoms and improve our overall health and wellness. The takeaway from all of this is that menopause symptoms are not just something we have to suffer through. By understanding the underlying causes and taking an active role in our health and wellness, we may be able to reduce the severity of these symptoms or even prevent them altogether. It's time to start taking menopause symptoms seriously and seeking help from healthcare providers who are knowledgeable about menopause and its many complexities. Menopause symptoms are not just a natural part of aging, but rather a complex interplay of hormonal changes, lifestyle factors, and underlying health issues. By seeking help and taking an active role in our health and wellness, we can take back control of our bodies and find relief from these symptoms. To learn more, please call our office and schedule an appointment for your hormonal evaluation today. Thanks for watching, and I invite you to share your experiences with menopause symptoms in the comments below. Don't forget to tune in next time for more tips on managing menopause symptoms effectively.